We're showing you how to use the SCT X4 7015PG-B. Right here on the firewall is our PCM. We're going to disconnect these 3 connectors. Really simple process. You just push a button, pull the gray lever. Once you've disconnected the 3 connectors from the PCM, you're going to connect the SCT version. So this first one closest to you, and it can only fit one. Now we're going to power it. Connect the ground straight to the battery. Connect the power to the battery. From there, connect the OBD2 port, and that goes right to our tuner and starts the power on.